Hello, I'm going to read Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. Bear snores on. Bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps the great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pit-tap, tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" and the hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs in the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up." Cozy down and dig in. They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then the wren and the raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they titter and they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, and Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. He gnarls and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles. He jumps and he stomps and he growls and he grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn and we can brew more tea." Bear gulps and he gobbles and he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Thanks for listening.